Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today's video, I'm going to do a bloom on this Octagon canvas. And I'm going to use a purple cell activator that I haven't used before, a different paint with some pretty pastel colors. And if you like blooms and you like pastel colors, come and see how it goes. Stick around. Okay, everyone, I have my house paint, which is a sample size can. That's a mist tint that someone returned. So I'm going to pour down. They're great, and it's a satin, so it's, I think it's satin or eggshell. Eggshell. So they're perfect for pillow paints. Okay. Okay. Move this out of the way. Okay, I'm going to start with some pink. This pink, I think it's like a rose. I think it's Amsterdam rose. I forgot to mark this one. And there's the consistency. Runs off and leaves a trace. This is Teal Gold by Golden Fluid. And then I have some copper. This is the DECO Art Bright Copper. Oops. Should be good. Lavender Frost by DECO Art, which is extreme sheen. And then I have this little piggy fairy floss. Oh, running low. All right, that's good. That one's done. And then I have a iridescent blue violet by PEBEO. A little off center. All right, now I have, this is a Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple Cell Activator that I'm trying today. I'm gonna use my mini blower. Wow. I used quite a bit of cell activator. I probably didn't need that much, but it's quite a bit in the middle. Oh dear. It's really pretty though. Too much cell activator. I hope it comes back in the middle. I'll just let it, there's a big indent there. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Doesn't do anything. Typically the Amsterdam is the best, but I didn't have a purple Amsterdam that was opaque. So I thought I would try the Liquitex Basics, and I got some beautiful cells there. That's really good. So it does work. Just covering up some sides a little bit more. I will give it a spin. It's closing in. I wanted it to close in a bit. I know I probably didn't have to wait this long, but I like waiting a little bit. That's moving good now. Okay, let's spin this. Look how gorgeous that is. Wow. This little piggy fairy floss is so brilliant. It's gonna look so awesome. I want this off. Everything's off but this. There, look at that. Oh, one more. Whoa. There, we're good. Tip it this way a little bit. Well, I didn't really want all that darkness in the middle, but it could be just pretend it's the center of the flower. I didn't really want, I was hoping for more color to come in, but I like it. I think I'll give this to my granddaughter. She likes turquoise and she likes pink and she likes purple. Okay, there you go. Well, have a good day, everybody, and watch. Come back and watch my videos. I have over 900 videos on my channel, Carol's Art Room. So if you search in YouTube for Carol's Art Room, I don't know how you landed up here, but sometimes you land here by just scrolling through videos. But yeah, my channel has a lot of videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Hit the bell for notifications. And you'll get notified when I do a new video. Okay. So I'm going to end this video. And have a good day. Bye. Hi everybody, here's my dried Octagon. It dried really good. Look at that pretty fairy floss in there. It looks really good. Love it. I love these colors. It dried smooth. Pretty much the same. A little bit of they stretched a little bit in the middle, but other than that, it's really good. I love it. I love that copper in there too. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.